Hello guys, how are you all doing? Today I will be talking about mindset. What is mindset all about? You all will be knowing basically what is a mindset, but just to give you as a definition, it is a set of beliefs which that shape you, how you see the world and yourself. Basically how it helps you to see the world and how you behave in any situation or feel and how you tackle the situation. There are two types of mindset: fixed mindset and growth mindset. Fixed mindset is basically where you feel that you have come a long way and then there's nothing much to do further, where you are kind of putting a full stop to your growth, even though you have an ability. Whereas growth mindset is like you keep on adding skills because of which it adds value to yourself and further you can add value to others. So basically, where does this mindset formation happens? When does this mindset formation happens? It happens during our childhood, where parents or relatives or neighbors, they praise us or label us as smart and doing good, but then they are restricting our ability not to think further. But at the same time, if you during your childhood, if someone appreciates your work and also makes you understand what is the journey or how, what are the challenges you have come across to maybe to pass an exam or to do when you have achieved a certain, when you have achieved something, the journey, the mistakes, the learnings which you have done during that journey, that makes you think bigger. So how do we overcome this mindset problem? There are two three ways. One is that you think positive always. Always think about better things what you can do. Don't get burdened under the challenges. Keep challenging everything and then you will come out successfully. And enjoy the journey. Basically, if there are any obstacles which come your way, you should be able to embrace the challenges. There is a very famous quote: pain is inevitable, but suffering is an option. So when you know that there is going to be a suffering, why don't we embrace the suffering and take it as a take it in a take it in our stride and then move forward? That relaxes our mind, as well as we will be able to move forward faster. So this is what I wanted to make you understand about the mindset. Hope you would have understood a little bit. If you feel it has given you a little bit of an understanding, share a like as well as give a feedback. Thank you.